central Texas, southwestern Dallas County, and north central Texas until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mansfield, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, and Hutchins. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, and Hutchins. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Away from windows.
There's a
With 6 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Grand Prairie, Mansfield, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Duncanville, Burleson, Lancaster, Waxahachie, Cleburne, Midlothian, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Kennedale, Everman, Keene, Joshua, and Hutchins. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Again, we're talking about collateral damage.